So here's my first dry pour. It's for my ramp. I had a ramp up there. I bolted a 2x6 face plate with 3 2x6 stringers, 1x4s decking. I had it sitting on pavers, about, I think they were 1 foot pavers on each stringer, but the sand washed over and caused the ends of them to rot a little bit, and my decking was butted up, and I believe that's caused the problem because it doesn't get dry. Now there's plenty of sun here, but there was starting to get a little bit of rot on them stringers at the butt of them decking. So I decided just to redo it instead of patch it up. And I said, I'm gonna put me a slab here, and it's raised so the dirt won't wash up underneath it, so it won't rot, it shouldn't rot. And I use pressure treated wood, but I'm gonna paint it all and it'll set on there. And I'm gonna space out my decking about a 1/2 inch at least, so it can dry, so the water won't get trapped underneath it, and the sun can shine on it, dry it out, and it should be good. It's plenty strong. You can put a bunch of weight on it, the way I build it. So we'll do it again. Should last longer than 7 years. This one was 7 years old when I noticed it starting to rot, so next one should be better, last longer. All right, and it came out pretty good. I learned a couple of things. I just put too much water on it this last watering. I got a spot there I kind of straightened up with a trowel, but and it's all level. It's not dipped in or nothing, but there's a couple of spots, and I learned I put too much down originally. Had to get some back out, but it should be fine. It's good and square and level, so it won't be seen. And when I do another one, I know more now. I'll learn. Looks great from back here, and it's good. It's good and level. There's not really no holes in it. It's just a little bit of, didn't have enough powder. It's hard to get that powder. I learned a little bit more about it, but it's hard to get that powder up above the rocks in concrete. But you can do it. Just have to be a little bit more patient. Took me about an hour and a half. My wife helped me work the board to get it leveled out on the frame, and pretty good. First time, learn a lot. All right, that's it.